Welcome back, trainees. It is your favorite Sassy trainer, Miko, and we are back for another Bootcamp Explainer. Since we completely smashed our last session on high-level resources, we are picking right up from there and diving straight into the actual financial receipts. That's right, honey. Today is all about the money. I'm going to teach you exactly how to read these subscription tiers so you can manage your future agency clients like an absolute boss. Because let's be real, when you know the money, you hold the power. Let's get into it.
All right, taking a quick look at today's syllabus, we've got 5 steps on our ladder. First, the warm-up. Then, the starter kit, the unlimited agency glow-up, becoming the SaaS boss, and finally, reading those hidden usage receipts.
So step 1, the warm-up. This is all about consolidating the chaos. Before we start throwing specific numbers around, you really have to understand HighLevel's core philosophy. It operates completely month-to-month, zero long-term contracts. And it's specifically designed to completely replace your client's CRM, their funnel builder, the email marketing software, appointment schedulers, review management, literally the whole shebang. Consolidating all of that into HighLevel saves agencies thousands of dollars every single month. And their big promise is letting you scale your business without a tax on growth. In plain English, no matter what plan your boss is on, HighLevel gives you unlimited contacts and unlimited team members. So if they grow their email list by 10,000 people or hire 5 more virtual assistants like you, they are not financially punished for it. The bill stays exactly the same.
Okay, moving up to step 2, let's talk about the starter kit. I like to call this the mom and pop setup.
This tier is strictly designed for a solo marketer, or maybe a brand new agency that's just getting its feet wet. Think of a local freelance web designer or a single real estate agent. At exactly $97 a month, or $970 for the year if you want to save some cash, this tier is your entry ticket. It gives you access to all the core platform features. You know, the website builder, the CRM, the automated workflows, plus 24/7 support. You even get a 14-day free trial to set up accounts and test your automations before paying a single dime. But, honey, listen to me. It comes with one massive limitation you need to monitor very closely as the assistant. And that limitation brings us to a very important definition, the sub-account. Think of a sub-account as a highly secured digital apartment. It's an exclusive workspace that contains all the funnels, pipelines, and contacts for one specific business or client. Well, the $97 starter plan limits you to exactly 3 of these digital apartments, period. Meaning it really only works if your boss is managing their own agency in apartment number 1 and maybe taking on exactly 2 other small clients in the others. That's it. No vacancy. Which naturally brings us to step 3, the unlimited agency glow-up, scaling without limits. So what happens out there in the real world when your agency does a fabulous job, word gets around, you land client number 4, and you completely run out of those 3 sub-accounts? Well, you have to upgrade. You jump from that restrictive starter plan straight into the unlimited plan. This is officially the most popular tier for growing agencies. It takes you from a hard limit of 3 clients to absolutely infinite scale. Plus, it unlocks the ability to rebill clients for their phone and email usage, and it grants basic API access, which is really just a fancy tech way of saying it lets HighLevel talk directly to your boss's other software tools.
And the price tag for all that infinite scale? $297 a month, or $2,970 for the year. For $297, the unlimited plan allows your boss to add 100 new clients this month if they want to, and their core HighLevel software costs will not increase by a single cent. They pay $297 whether they have 4 clients or 400 clients. That right there is exactly how you scale a highly profitable agency.
Let's keep climbing. Step 4, the SaaS boss, becoming the software.
This level is for the true visionaries, the SaaSpreneurs out there who are totally done running exhausting manual marketing campaigns and instead want to start selling the software platform itself. We are talking about the Agency Pro plan at $497 a month. Now, I know $497 might sound like a bit of a jump, but it unlocks advanced API access, incredibly detailed user reporting, and a brilliant little magic trick that will make your life as a virtual staff member so much easier. That magic trick is called SaaS Mode. SaaS Mode actually transforms HighLevel into your own white-labeled software product that you can turn around and sell directly to businesses. Let me break that down in layman's terms for you. It means your clients go to your agency's website, they log in, and they see your agency's logo and your custom branding, not HighLevel's. You are effectively making it look like your boss spent millions of dollars building a custom enterprise-grade software company from scratch. It's genius.
And here is why this tier is an absolute lifesaver for you as an assistant. The whole sub-account creation process becomes completely automated and seamless. Step 1, the client pays on your website. Step 2, the system instantly and automatically builds their new digital apartment. Step 3, the client logs in. Boom. You don't have to lift a single finger to set it up manually. You set the price, the system handles all the setup, and your boss collects the check.
All right, final step on our ladder, step 5, the hidden usage receipts. We are spilling the tea on telecommunications.
Okay, let's dive into this and clear the air on the so-called hidden fees, because while a core platform is a predictable flat rate, making actual phone calls, sending SMS text messages, and using premium AI features are standard usage-based industry costs. I mean, somebody has to pay the telecom providers, right? So here's exactly how you read those telecommunication receipts. On the $297 unlimited plan, you can rebill the client for their texts and emails, which just means you pass the exact cost HighLevel charges you directly to the client. Nobody loses money. But on the $497 Agency Pro plan, you can mark those usage prices up. Your boss can automatically bill the client for SMS and email usage with a healthy profit margin baked right in. That creates pure recurring revenue every single time a client sends a text message. It's a game changer.
Now, beyond the standard telecom usage, there are some entirely optional add-ons. HighLevel offers cool things like an AI employee ranging from $50 to $97 a month per sub-account. There's a branded client portal for $49, a white label mobile app for $497, and even HIPAA compliance for $297 a month. But listen to me very carefully, trainees. You only add these to the cart if your specific client actually needs them to operate. For example, if you manage a local dental clinic, yes, absolutely pay for HIPAA compliance. But if you're marketing for a local landscaping company, you definitely do not need it. Keep your boss's overhead low, and they will love you for it.
So wrapping up today's Bootcamp Explainer, I want you to take a hard look at any prospective client's business model. Ask yourself, are they a solo act who belongs in the $97 starter plan? Are they an expanding agency that desperately needs the $297 unlimited scale? Or are they a true SaaS boss in the making, totally ready for that $497 Pro tier? Master these receipts, really understand how to protect your boss's profit margins, and I promise you will be the absolute most valuable virtual assistant they have ever hired. Class dismissed, darlings. Have a fabulous day.